How to add sound effects in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add different sound effects to the game. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So here we're in the settings interface. Now on the left hand side, you can see the option called sound. Simply tap on sound. So here there are different sound options that you can customize from. Now slowly scroll down. Here on the left, you can see the option called immersive sound effect. So you can enable it. Now here on the right, you can even see a slider. So you can adjust it accordingly. So what does this do? So there are different effects and there are different attacking and defensive modes. So when you do that, there will be a different sound and an advanced sound effect that you can hear for a better experience and gameplay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.